Hello everyone, my name is Sipewa, and today we are going to look into 11 firms that are listed in the Johannesburg Stock Exchange that has been designated as the best buy ideas in 2022 by the Bank of America. Absa and Nedbank are the first two firms that we are going to look into, and both of these firms are in the financial service sector. Firstly, we are going to look into Absa with a market cap of 140.109 billion with a dividend yield of 1.85%. It is a South African-based financial service business. Absa offers personal and corporate credit card, wealth and investment management, as well as bank assurance. ABGL is the majority shareholder with 11 banks located in Namibia, South Africa, Uganda, Kenya, Ghana, Mauritius, Seychelles, Kenya, Tanzania, Mozambique, Uganda, and Zambia. The group maintains representative offices in Nigeria and Namibia. And our second company is Nedbank. Nedbank has a market cap of around 98 billion with a forward PE ratio of 8:18, dividend yield of 2.24%, a return on investment of 10.57%. Major shareholders in the group are Sanlam, Allan Gray, BlackRock, Vanguard, Coronation, Old Mutual BEE Trust, Nedbank Namibia Limited, GIC Asset Management, Lizard Asset Management. Nature of the business. Nedbank is one of the 4 large South African banks, with Nedbank Limited as the principal group subsidiary. Nedbank offers the following solutions: Wealth and Nedbank Africa regions, wide range of wholesale and retail banking services, growing insurance, asset management, wealth management and investment. Now we are in the consumer staples with Shoprite and Mr. Price. This sector we are going to start with Shoprite with a market cap around 128 billion. A PE ratio of 22:67 with a dividend yield of 2.51%. A forward PE ratio of 21.48 with an ROE of 22.92%. Major shareholders: Government, Employee Pension Fund, Shoprite Checkers Limited, BlackRock, Old Mutual and Vanguard, Coronation, and YCH. Nature of the business. Shoprite is the investing company listed on the JSE, based in food and wholesale retailers. Secondary listings are also mentioned in Zambia and Namibia Stock Exchange. Cash income is mainly derived from dividend and interest. The consolidated annual financial statement of Shoprite Holdings also includes associated companies and equity accounted for. Now we are in Mr. Price. Mr. Price has a market cap of around 51 billion, PE ratio of 17:07, forward PE ratio of 15:75, with a dividend yield of 3.69%. Major shareholders are Coronation, JP Morgan, Fiat Asset Management. Nature of the business. Mr. Price Group is the cash-based fashion value targeting a wide range of customers from mid to upper class. Retail, own branded merchandise, and primary operating in South Africa, offering lower prices from day to day. Fortuna Group, with a market cap around 41 billion, with a PE ratio of 17:82. Forward PE ratio of 12:35. Dividend yield of 1.35%, with an ROE of 11.4%. Major shareholders are Coronation, Old Mutual, Government Employees Pension Fund, and the Public Investment Corporation. Prudential Investment, Alexandra Forbes Investment, and One SA. Fortuna Group is a well-diversified group with a portfolio of 29 fashion retailers, brands across various lifestyles and merchandise categories. Their retailers are at home, Sports Scene, Fortuna, Markham, Mets and May, American Swiss, Fortuna, Mets and May, Relay Jeans and Rockwear, and they are also involved in homeware, cell phones and jewelries, and so on and so on. They have shops in more than 32 countries. Clicks with a market cap around 71 billion. With a PE ratio of 37:08. Forward PE ratio of 29:39. With a dividend yield of 1.67%. ROE of 38.25%. Major shareholders are Vanguard, BlackRock, Public Investment Corporation, JP Morgan, Fidelity Management and Research, BMO Financial Group, and other players in the market. Nature of the business, Clicks is in the healthcare, food and drugs retailers. Bidcorp has a market cap of around 112 billion, with a PE ratio of 38:58, forward PE ratio of 22:79, with a dividend yield of 1.19%, ROE at 11.1%. Major shareholders are Government Investment Pension Fund. Nature of the business, Bidco is the international borderline food service group. It is listed on the JSE in countries on 5 continents. Truett and Massmart were also given a buy rating by the Bank of America. Major cyclicals are trading at an attractive price. Ballowhead and Bidvest are two industrial companies that the Bank of America love because of their inexpensive valuation and excellent earnings momentum. Netcare, with a market cap around 22 billion, with a PE ratio of 24.96, dividend yield of 2.21%, with an ROE of 6.81%. Major shareholders are Government, Corporation, Investments, Vanguard, Old Mutual, Government of Norway, Alexandra Forbes Investment, Eskom Pension and Provident Fund, Government Institution Pension Fund. Nature of the business, Netcare is an investing holding company. Netcare continues to invest on its capabilities and improve its capital. It has partnership with public sector and it is involved in medical technology and healthcare, and it is listed on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange. Aspen, because of its current network, it is well positioned to supply Africa with inexpensive immunizers, according to the reports that was published. MTN in the telecommunication industry was one of the best performing stock listed on the JSE, gaining over 180% in value. MTN with a market cap of 348 billion and a PE ratio of 26 is to 23, while PE ratio of 17 is to 57. Return on equity of 7.5%. Major shareholders are PIC, Prudence Investment, and MTN Zakhele. Nature of the business. MTN is a pan-Africa mobile operator with a strategic intent of leading Africa in digital solution and progress. MTN is involved in 21 markets. While we are still on the telecommunication industry, Airtel was also given a buy rating. Gold mines and prospecting. Chinese demand for most mined commodities is 50% of the global demand. Glencore, Anglo-America and South32 were also given a buy rating. Glencore with a market cap of over 1 trillion rands, with a PE ratio of 17 is to 66. A dividend yield of 2.82%, with a return on equity of 5.42%. Major shareholders are BlackRock, Harris Associates, Quetta Holdings and Daniel Mead. Nature of the business. Glencore producer and marketer of commodities operating around the world. The group commodities comprises of metal, energy products, and agriculture products. Before I go, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification and like this video and watch other videos in this channel to support me.